What's up, goodies, and welcome back. I am going to show you how I do my wash and go routine. Make sure you are subscribed with your notifications on so that you don't miss out on the next video. Okay, so I'm going to start out by taking these braids out. If you watched my last video, then you know that I am really trying to lean into the protective styling while we're on lockdown so I can, give my hair a break and really let it grow and flourish, and we're gonna moisturize it and do all the things. But it was really time for a wash. The scalp was itchy, the braids were fuzzy. It was time. I'm actually watching Ozark for the first time while filming this video, and the first episode was very spicy. I highly encourage you all to check it out. But yeah, I'm thinking about doing maybe cornrows next time. Maybe next time I will show y'all how I cornrow my own hair. It takes a minute, and a little practice, but we make it work. Okay, so now that the braids are all out, thank the Lord, because that took a minute. Wow, look at that definition from the braids. How nice. But it's time to shampoo. So I am going to use the As I Am Long and Luxe Strengthening Shampoo, and I'm going to work that in. I usually shampoo my hair twice just to make sure I get all the oils and dirt and gook out, because we're just going to replenish that once we do the leave-in conditioner and the deep conditioning. So now I'm going to use my Shea Moisture Moringa and Avocado Power Greens Reconstructor with the Mielle's Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. It's actually my first time using the Mielle's hair mask, and it came out really good. I like how my hair felt. It felt really moisturized and hydrated, and the curls were defined, so I was into it. If you notice, I take my hair section by section, and then I just make sure that I detangle. I know they say finger detangling is good, but I still like using a wide tooth comb, and I'll just work that in from the ends to the roots. Doing root to ends combing usually adds to the damage, so I try to minimize that by doing it the opposite way and being super gentle when I'm working through my hair. But when I'm adding the product, if you notice, I'm making sure that every strand is coated. That's part of the reason why I like to do it section by section. Can you imagine there was a time when I was trying to put all product in my whole head without sectioning anything? I was definitely missing spots. So yeah, doing it this way just ensures that every part of my hair is getting some love, because that's what it needs, right? We need to make sure that the hair gets all the product that it needs so that it can flourish. I'm not sure if you're able to see here, but my hair actually has two different hair textures, kind of. The middle curls are a lot tighter than the ones in the front and then in the back, which I don't know how that happened. Maybe I was born like that. Maybe it's Maybelline, who knows? But I'm just gonna work everything in. Make sure literally my whole entire head, edges, kitchen, and everywhere has to have it. And then I'm gonna put my shower cap on so I can let it marinate. I usually let it sit for about 40 minutes. Sometimes it ends up being longer because I end up doing chores and cleaning and watching shows and eating and just everything. So after that, I'm gonna rinse it out. And as you can see, already we are just living with the definition. We are living. Look at that. Look at the curls. They look great. But we're not done yet. I have to add in my leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to use the As I Am Long and Luxe Gro-Yogurt with the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I really like the As I Am Gro-Yogurt because it's a more water-based product, and it helps me to detangle my hair, which is nice. I mean, it's already combed out, but just to make sure everything is all good, it definitely helps with that. And then adding the Cantu really just seals the deal with the moisture and the definition, and just ensuring my wash and go will last more than a day. So we love this combo. Usually using this, my wash and goes will last 4 to 5 days. I may require a little freshening up with some water, but that's a given. It usually lasts really long and it looks really cute. So we love. And if you notice, I'm using the same technique as far as making sure that I apply the product by section. Again, just to make sure that every strand is getting some TLC, because we don't want to leave the girls out, right? We want everyone to get some love. We need it. So yeah, I'm gonna section everything out. Actually, comment below and let me know what products you use for your leave-in, because I'm always looking for something to try. I mean, I have my tried and true products, but you know, it's always fun to experiment and see what else works. Sometimes you come across some, you know, other products that are really lit, or it's like you figure out what products give you the look that you want at that time, if that makes sense. Like, I know if I want defined and then volume probably about like day 2 or day 3, then I'm going to use this combination. So yeah, as I work this into the last section of my hair, I will again just go over it, make sure everything has product, and then I'm going to kind of put my hair in the style that I want it to dry, if that makes sense. My hair is shorter in the front, so I just use them as curly bangs, so I'll kind of just separate it out that way, and then I will kind of let it air dry for a while, and then I'll just go to sleep and pineapple it and deal with it in the morning. And then by the morning, it's looking something like this. By the time I take it down, I might spray a little water on the edges just to bring the shape back, and this is the finished look. The curls are living, ladies and gentlemen. They look fantastic. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. Comment below and let me know what you think. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out, all right? I'll catch y'all next time.